Hello, K911 here, doing another review for Chewy.com. This time we're going to be reviewing Zignature dog food. This is the turkey formula. We're very excited to be doing this review today. We've heard nothing but good things about Zignature. We're always looking for a well-balanced, healthy dog food to feed our pack, and this is one of the absolute best. It's been recommended to us by nutritionalist vets and other experts who have been breeding and working with dogs for decades. So just taking a look here, it says limited ingredient formula, exceeding expectations in pet nutrition, turkey protein first, nutrient-dense legumes, gonna have to look that word up, with antioxidants from fruits, gluten-free with added healthy vegetables. Spinning it around here, you'll find it does indeed have a 31% crude protein guaranteed analysis. So if your dog's a little bit finicky with the high proteins, this might give them the runs. So definitely, be aware of that. Each dog has different nutritional needs to balance them out. However, if you'll take a look, you'll see that this has very select ingredients. They're not putting a lot of the fillers in there, and that can sometimes cause the runs as they switch over from a meal. So Zignature is definitely high quality food. Just be aware of your dog's individual nutritional needs. They have a handy little feeding chart guide on here. A lot of people free feed their dogs. I would not recommend free feeding a dog food formula like this, just because it does have very rich ingredients. You're going to want to just kind of limit the amount that they're eating at first, and then also mix it in slowly and wean them over to it will help not upset their digestive balance. You can see there's a different chart for puppies, pregnant females, and lactating females. Very nice of Zignature to include that on the package. So let's get this opened up. Okay, so as you can maybe see here, Zignature does not have a easy to open bag, and I am terrible at opening packages. So maybe the one knock against Zignature would be that they could do something to assist in opening their bags a little bit more. As you can see, small round pellets, all uniform in shape and size. Smells very strong. Dogs tend to like that. My dogs are starting to drool right now. You can see the spots hitting the floor. So yeah, Zignature limited ingredient dog food. This is the turkey formula. You can get it at Chewy.com or PetSmart. Definitely a high quality dog food for people who want to see the absolute best performance out of their dogs.